Can you believe that 2025 is already coming to an end? Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I truly cannot thank you enough for taking the time out of your day to watch my content and support the channel. 2025 marked 2 years for me here on YouTube. And it's honestly been an incredible journey. I went from short hair to long hair. My goals for 2025 were the following: one, help at least 15 people land a job in cybersecurity. I'm happy to say that this goal was absolutely achieved. I've received multiple emails and comments from people who landed roles, and I've actually had the chance to interview some of them. Stories like Florentine, who transitioned into cybersecurity as a SOC analyst with no prior IT experience, and Paul, who moved from IT into a SOC analyst role and is now working at one of the largest cybersecurity companies in the world. My goal here was to always create killer analysts, those who can step into the field and immediately provide value to the organization. So if you haven't checked out the MyDFIR SOC community yet, I would highly encourage you to head over to school.com/MyDFIR and see if it's a good fit for you. Number two, collaborate with at least 3 creators. Now, this one I didn't fully hit, but I did collaborate with Andrew Prince over at TCM Security. If you missed that, I'll leave a link down below. Number 3, release at least 2 updates to the MyDFIR SOC Analyst course. All those updates are live, and all existing students receive them for free. I added the SOC Automation Project 2.0, including the bonus content. I've also updated instructions across several chapters, since this field does change quite often. Number 4, begin drafting a new advanced course. I'm excited to say that this is officially in progress. As of recording, I have about 14 chapters planned that is including a capstone, making it roughly double the size of my SOC course. This advanced course is going to focus on what to do when you don't have an EDR or a SIM, and how you can still gather artifacts and reconstruct attacker activity. So if you enjoyed the SOC course, I'm confident that you're going to love this. Number 5, personal development. Start a new vlog channel. Unfortunately, I didn't quite get this one off the ground. Time has been quite tight, but I do have a backlog of vlogs recorded from my Japan trip, so this one's not off the table. Number 6, grow the channel to 60K subscribers. We absolutely crushed this goal. This channel right now is sitting at over 74,000 subscribers and is very close to hitting 75K. And honestly, thank you. Thank you for that. Overall, looking back, I hit 4 out of 6 goals for 2025, and I'm very proud of that progress. My goals for 2026 are the following: double the number of people landing cybersecurity roles from 15 to 30, release my advanced course, grow the MyDFIR SOC community to 300 members, collaborate with at least 2 creators, and hit 100,000 subscribers and earn that YouTube play button. And those are my goals for 2026. I am curious, what are your goals for the year? Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, again, thank you so much for tuning in and supporting me. It seriously, truly means more than you know. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.